If I know where this bridge is at. The bridge is right there. Where are we at?
We're in Yuma.
It's Yuma, the Territorial State Prison, which is up there. Most of you have seen it before on other YouTube videos. Since we're trying to do like everything free type trip, it costs $8 a person to get in, $6 for seniors, and like $2 or $3 for kids. I can't remember exactly. But we're not gonna pay to get in because we're cheapskates. We're doing everything free. But they got this awesome little walking trail. We parked the trip somewhere. Oh, this is like a walking area, like a park type deal. Here's a prison cemetery. Wow, they don't even have no headstones or nothing, do they? Just piles of rocks. But this is all free, I'm assuming, because I don't see where it was blocked off or you had to pay or nothing like that. But this is Yuma Territorial Prison Cemetery. I guess they didn't care if anybody knew who this was. There's no markers or anything.
It looks like there's some kind of plaque though in the corner.
Yeah. Let me pause this when we walk. She said there's like a plaque right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this because of the glare, but it says in memory of the inmates who lost their life while serving their sentence at the Arizona Territorial Prison in Yuma. And of course it has all their names. It says here, of the 3,069 convicts, what? 3,069 convicts sentenced to Yuma Prison, 111 met their death. Disease, accident, murder, suicide, and escape attempts were the cause of their demise. Remains of the 104 unfortunate souls are entered in this cemetery. I don't feel like that's 104, but you know,
No.
that's what it says though.
It doesn't.
Anyway, I didn't get to see what it was because we didn't pay. I'm assuming it's like some kind of watchtower. Right, you know, I got my fancy zoom. Right there at the prison itself. Once it focuses, this is right behind that truck. Anyways, we're gonna walk around a little bit and then move along, I guess. Hey!
Hey!
The life of the hobo. So I don't know which one we are. I like to say I'm a bum, but I guess I'm a hobo, kind of, sort of.
Because bums say they do not work at all.
Unlike tramps who work only when they need to, and bums who don't work at all. Well, hobos are workers who wander.
So we're like a hobo tramp.
So you're like an old hobo.
But I'm not penniless.
So we're in Yuma at the Territorial Prison on some kind of walking trail, I guess.
Yeah, the Colorado River is supposed to be right there.
I'm gonna go down this dirt. Is that considered a trail?
No.
Let's say footprints. We're not on the paved trail. We're on a, I don't know what to call this, the haunted trail?
Primitive.
Yes, we're on a primitive trail. I see a sign here.
We see trees. I can't believe it's like
No
falling.
horses on bridge.
Horses.
Crossing in history. Can't hardly read it, so I'm not gonna sit there and guess at it. But yeah, this is the actual trail. Just can't have a horse on it. Man, good thing I didn't bring my horse. Let's go this way. Okay, we'll wait till we get to the water. It does look like fall here. The yellow leaves. Pretty nice. So we made it down to the water. Came from up in that area somewhere. I don't know what water this is. I think Colorado, not my head.
No, I think it meets up with the Colorado though.
But this little park area kind of like stops right here and opens up to the city. So yeah, it's free. And it's kind of picturesque as far as walking. Looks like the walking trail continues on along the city front there or something. Right now it seems pretty quiet. Not a lot of, you know, what you want to call it, troublemakers or homeless or something. I feel like at nighttime that little woody area might get a few campers in it.
I think this guy's climbing that wall. It's like straight through the trees. Is that going all the way up to the top of the
Somebody climbing the wall?
museum?
No.
In a blue shirt?
Oh yeah. Wonder why he'd be climbing the wall. Let's go over here and see what he's doing. Let's be nosy. Supposedly somebody's climbing the wall here. I see him.
Nobody's waving at us.
He's trying to get a good picture, I think. Right there he is. See him right there? I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's looking for artifacts.
Looking for his daily adventure. It's kind of cool under these bridges, though.
Yep. Railroad bridge, highway. Oh. Okay. Moving on. Not really impressed with Yuma so far. It seems.
Turn right onto Harold's Kiss Parkway.
Turn right. Turn right.
Redondo Center Drive.
Historic downtown. Yeah, Yuma seems really dirty and dusty, but we gotta remember we are in the desert area, so I am not used to that. But it still seems really dirty, don't it?
It does, but I still saw grass.
Oh yeah, we saw broccoli farms.
Yeah.
And I think lettuce. I don't know what it
Lettuce. It looked like lettuce and kale.
was. Yeah. But it's I'm over at it. It is windy today, so maybe there's a lot of dust blowing around. But it just seems dusty and dirty around here. I don't know. We're gonna go find something to eat, and maybe we'll get to see some more. So we're gonna go in the Golden Corral and have our $10.99. $10.99 buffet. It looks super busy. They do have RV parking. Since I see it, I'll go ahead and tell you. In the back row, there's a semi and 2 RVs. So it don't look like you got room for a huge travel trailer. Yeah, you can get one in here. You can park one right there and probably get one over there. It depends on how busy they are, I bet. But you can definitely get Class C's in here because there's 2 sitting right there. We've come to see the sad part of Yuma. What's this? Is it a homeless shelter or?
Yeah, it's a men's homeless shelter.
I don't know. Yeah, it's very crowded.
Well,
I'm not gonna.
we came for donations.
Okay, I turned the camera off for a second. I was getting some weird looks, but anyway, it's really opened your eyes to the homeless problem. I mean, yeah, you see them on the corner asking for money and all that, but here comes no one. Yeah, I didn't want to film him right in his face. I respect, but yeah, it makes open my eyes. Some of these people, that one guy looked like he was 60 or something, 70 years old. Yeah. Anyway, this is the not so glamorous side of Yuma here. I don't know if it's just a part of town we're in or what, but it just seems sketchy around here. This is Yuma, and I haven't seen nothing that impressed me yet. I'm sure there's better parts, but I think we're in the sketchy side of town, I believe. Everything looks run down, abandoned, or closed, and it just don't look real good. I'm sure we're on the wrong side. I'm sure there's a better side, but I'm just not seeing it right now. Farmland in the desert. I think this, what did we say this was? Lettuce or?
I think it's like a kale or spinach.
We saw some broccoli fields too. That's on both sides of the road. And we're in Arizona. I'm calling it the desert.
This is the desert.
Well,
It's wild.
evidently they found a way to grow stuff. Didn't they? Look at all them. No, don't want no part of that. That looks like hard work out there. Not even gonna lie, I don't want no part of that. But then you got the contrast to the, I guess I'm gonna call it the mountains in the background. Pretty neat, pretty neat. It's the Yuma United States Proving Ground. There's the entrance. With 2 big old guns. I don't know what you call them guns, but you know, as far as the caliber, I don't really know how big they are, but they're huge. I do know that. cloudy and gloomy. That's, I don't know. The camera makes it look worse than what it really is. We'll see if I can zoom in on the military base somewhere. Well, you can't see them but a bunch of buildings. Anyhow, that's pretty much all we're going to see for the next 50 miles probably. I think we found a UFO. I'm going to zoom in and see if I can see it. It is a UFO. No, what did it say it was?
It's a goldfish.
It's a goldfish. Well, technically it's a gray fish, but no, it's a weather balloon, tethered weather balloon. That's
Yeah, aerostat.
I think it's one of them things they send up there, you know, gets weather data and all that. But it's like a big balloon.
But it also said border control.
Mm-hmm. We spotted it coming down the road and it's way off in the distance. It looks like a fish for real. Pretty neat. Moving on. Let's see if I can zoom in on this cool rock over on the mountain range. Steady, steady, easy, easy, steady. Huh. I think, pretty sure they're calling that, what, Castle Dome or something like that?
Castle Dome.
Castle Dome. It's pretty neat because the whole mountain range is like choppy and pointy, and then you have that one section right there. Pretty neat. Coming up to a Border Patrol check station. Everybody be quiet and let me still back there. They're right there. Me no speak English. Shh, be quiet. You're gonna get us caught. He's in there playing Tetris on the computer.
Hi. No.
Oh.
Yes. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
They're looking at, quit playing Tetris on there.
He definitely looked at the back of the van.
And he's like, holy.
We're out of here. This little car is gonna fly by me.
We made it to the checkpoint. Did you? Are
They
you?
didn't catch us.
Yeah. Riding in the desert all day. Not too shabby. No. I watched the video, some guy said that like, what, 50 times? It's pretty funny. Not too shabby. I'm not going to steal it.
We're not stealing that from him.
Yeah. I don't remember his name, but I tell you to go watch him. He's like riding a bicycle across country or something. What's the name? Right?
I really don't remember. It's just
Ed's Adventure, something like that. But he,
all black curly hair.
yeah, he always screamed, "Not too shabby." It's pretty neat over here.
The sunset, if you can catch it, is really pretty.
Yeah. I don't think the sun's sick. I can't get far enough over. Oh yeah, I can actually see it. Nice. Moving on. See the moon? I see it. I'm gonna take y'all to the moon. Are you ready? There it is. If the power lines will get out of the way. Woo. So shaky though. Oh my goodness. I can't hold it still. Reckless driver over here.
I was doing it on purpose.
Yeah. Alrighty then. Still riding through the desert, trying to get back to camp. Moving on. The moon is so bright tonight. You see, right there's a van. There's a little camper. I don't have no lights on. This is all coming from the moon. That's traffic going down the highway there, but yeah, all the lights coming from that. And there's a cactus. Come on, focus, focus, focus. It don't look like it's gonna focus on it. Let me see if I can get her in there tight. Hang on just a second. Okay, I had to clean the lens. I got zoomed in. It's so hard to hold still. So hard, I'm sorry. I guess 'cause it's so bright, it just won't focus. It's pretty neat though.